Welcome to the digital connectivity video on Modbus TCP IP. Modbus was one of the original networks in its RS-232 and RS-485 forms, and it's now been integrated into TCP IP. It was one of the first Ethernet networks available and is still widely used today as a very simple and low-cost network, and you'll notice that most vendors have Modbus TCP IP available. We're showcasing it here with a Modicon M340 from Schneider Electric. This has the grey cable coming directly out, which is the Modbus TCP IP. We've put that into a standard Ethernet switch in a standard star topology. You'll note that all Burkett products that have Ethernet capability will talk Modbus TCP IP. So of course this includes the likes of valve islands and multi-controllers, etc., and control valves and the like. To give you an example, we bring the Modbus TCP into our multi-cell controller. From there we can take in a number of different inputs, probably up to 10 different inputs into one controller. We can display them, we can control, and then we can communicate and all of that information back and do data logging, etc., back in the main PLC. Also applications like our modulating control valves. This is a modulating control valve speaking Ethernet directly and also has an inbuilt PID process controller. So we're showcasing it here with an RTD. So if we have a look at that on the screen, we can see that it's in automatic and it's at 26 degrees set point and the process value is low, so the valve is shut. We change that over to manual and we can actually send a valve position directly to the valve. Let's set it to 25%, enter, and the valve goes immediately to 25%. And of course you'll notice that we can also read the process value, which is the RTD. If I put my fingers on that, you'll see it's at 19.6 degrees. It's a little cool in this room. And now it's up to 20.3. Modbus TCP IP, as I mentioned earlier, is incorporated in all Burkett products that have Ethernet. So this comes from valve islands and I/O islands that talk Ethernet. Our little interface module here, so we can break into Burkett bus and have all of the different products that we can put directly onto that. Plus we have things like our multi-channel controller and also our modulating valves for both linear and rotary, as well as mass flow controllers, mass flow meters and other devices as well. So quite a broad range of different devices that can be integrated directly and digitally into a Modbus TCP IP. So there you have it. That wraps up the Modbus TCP IP networking. Hope you enjoyed.